everyone, Taylor again. I'm back to show you the second yogurt-based recipe today. We are making monkey tails. Okay, monkey tails using yogurt requires a few supplies. You're going to need wooden sticks. You're going to need a cutting board and knife. This is to prep the bananas. If you're doing this with your kiddos, you might need to help them a little bit on this step. We're going to need a baking sheet and parchment paper, or you can use a silicone baking mat, whatever you guys have on hand. We're going to need some glasses for dipping. We're going to need a spatula or spoons for putting the yogurt into the cups and for sprinkling our toppings. Okay, that's our supplies. Next, let's talk about our ingredients. Our ingredients for this recipe are bananas. You pick how ripe you would like them to be. Use as many bananas as you would like. This is a very easy recipe to expand or shrink down depending on how many bananas you guys have on hand. You're going to need a 32-ounce container of yogurt. You can pick whatever flavor you would like. I picked strawberry and I also have vanilla here, but again, pick whatever flavors you would like. And then you're going to need some toppings. I've selected chocolate chips, I have some Cheerios, some raisins, some sprinkles, but really it's whatever you have on hand. If you want to make it more of a treat, you could always take some cookies and crush them up, or if you're going to try to go the healthier route, use some dried fruit. It's really up to you on how you make these treats. Okay, we have our supplies and we have our ingredients. It's time to assemble these monkey tails. First, we're going to prep our monkey tails. So you're going to take your bananas and we're going to need to open them up. A little trick is a lot of people try to open their bananas from this end, but it works a little easier from this end. You're gonna stick your finger in there, pull it down, and it comes right off. Again, you're gonna peel your banana. Okay, and then we're gonna take our knife. Again, you might need to help your kids with this step. We're just gonna chop it in half, making two parts of the banana. Next, we're gonna take our wooden sticks, and we're gonna insert them into the banana, kind of making a banana pop. You're gonna put these on your baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper or that silicone baking mat. Again, I'm going to do that one more time. Insert the wooden spoon into the banana. And you can make as many of these monkey tails as you would like. I'm just going to pre-prep 2 for now. So we got that on there. You're going to take these bananas and put them in the freezer about 3 to 4 hours or overnight. We just want to make sure they're pretty frozen before we apply the toppings and the yogurt. So I'm going to set these aside. And I have pre-prepped some bananas to show you guys how to finish the assembly. So these were in my freezer overnight and they are good to go as far as assembling the toppings and the yogurt. So in order to do that, I'm going to take my yogurt here. And again, you pick what flavor you'd like. I have the strawberry. I'm going to pour it in a glass. And if you need to, you can always use a spoon or a spatula to help you get it into the cup. Could be a little messy, that's okay. I'm going to put that in there. And again, I'm going to do 2 different flavors today, but you can just do one. It's really up to you. I'm going to put the vanilla in the other one. You can do plain or any other flavor that you have. Or if you have a bunch of small yogurts, you can always add a bunch of small yogurts into the cups as well. Okay, now that I have the yogurts in there, it's time to start dipping the bananas. Again, these are pre-frozen. I froze them overnight in my freezer. So you're going to take them, you're going to dip them into the yogurt. Okay, and you're going to let any excess drip off. And then you're going to want to probably put it over a plate, or I have my cutting board here. You're going to get some of your toppings. You're going to sprinkle them on top. And again, if this gets a little messy, it's going to be okay. And you can do more than 1 topping per banana, just 1 topping. It's really up to you. I obviously picked out sprinkles for this one, so I have strawberry and sprinkles here. And then you'll continue on with all your bananas. So I'll show you guys one more. I'll make a vanilla one this time. So again, you'll dip it in the yogurt, and you'll pull it out, and then you'll make sure any excess is dripped off here. And I'll try one with Cheerios this time. So again, you'll grab your Cheerios. You'll put them over your plate or your cutting board, kind of stick them on there. Cheerios are a little more challenging. You might have to stick them on there a little bit. And again, you can pick any toppings you would like. I have some random Cheerios. Anything you have on hand, you can crush them up, but I got my Cheerios on there. And you'll continue on with all your banana, your monkey tails. Again, you can make as many or as little as you would like. Once you get all your yogurt and your toppings on, you're going to need to freeze those monkey tails one more time. Again, 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Whatever time you have available should work for you. Okay guys, we have now made our rainbow yogurt bark and we've made our monkey tails using yogurt. Thanks for spending some of your family fun day with me. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you.